In the enzootic pneumonia, the dynamic and duration of coughing are important for the estimation of the impact of EP on growth retardation. In this case, a commercial pig farm located in Brittany, France, was selected to perform a comparative field clinical trial. The criteria of effect included the intensity of coughing, growth performance, and lung lesion score on slaughter pigs. The economic benefit was calculated using Respinomics application. As a result, the average number of coughs was significantly lower in the Hyogen group. At the slaughterhouse, the percentage of healthy lungs was higher, the percentage of severely affected lungs lower. Improved clinical condition of pigs in the Hyogen group resulted in better growth performance. The results of this study showed that Hyogen provided better protection of pigs than the competitor product, measured by the clinical course of the disease and the lung lesion score. Finally, on this poster showed by SIVA at the 9th European Symposium 2017, it was exposed the clinical and economical improvements due to better control of enzootic pneumonia with Hyogen. Higher ADG for 44G corresponded to the improvements in the respiratory health.